Today I'm going to show you how to easily customize this Apple style animation in After Effects. It has got a lot of moving parts, but very easy to customize. And if you are new to this channel, please give me a like on this video and drop a heart in the comment section, and consider also subscribing to my channel. Let's get after it. Okay, this is our final composition. So if you double click here, it will open here. Then we've placed layers. This is the first layer, second layer. All the layers we've placed here, all the layers, as you can see. All right. So let's begin by opening the first layer. Then double click the main comp for layer 1. I'm going to show you how to replace all this. This is the logo, and changing even replacing the type. These are image folders where we place some photos and logos that we are going to use. All right. Click the drop down arrow for images 2, and this is the logo we are going to replace with the other one. Double click the pre-comp text to open. So this is the logo, and we are going to replace it with this one. Press Alt on your keyboard, drag and drop to replace. Press S for scale properties and scale it down. Scale down to 35. You can toggle here to hide that, and toggle on your logo. We can also edit this text. Let's change the color to make it different. Double click to edit. You can highlight and edit and change colors. Change the way you want. Press Ctrl Z to undo. You can change the color from here. Let's adopt this. All right. So if you check here, you can see the changes. So let's return it back to white. So we can also change this. Scroll down, and if you toggle on and toggle off here, you can see the text. Double click to highlight and paste whatever text that you want, or type in whatever you want. You can do the same to the rest of the text. As you can see, all these are editable text, as you can see. If you highlight them all, that's what you see. All right. Click off. You can also change this color here. Double click the ellipse pre-comp to edit or change the colors. If you click here, you can change the color and put your preferred colors. This is the gradient colors you can change also. Let's cancel. This is the outline or the stroke. You can also increase curves contrast or reduce from here. As you can see, changes have been made in the final pre-comp. So let's close this and go to the second layer. Also close this, close, we're done with the first layer. Let's go to the second layer. So in the second layer, as you can see, we've got A and B, or two pre-comps, this and this, A and B pre-comps, as you can see from here. So let's begin. So this is the second pre-comp in folder B. So let's begin with the double click to open B and edit. So these are the text layers, or these are text layers, and images are here. Layers named shapes are masks. From shape 1 to shape 12 are masks for images. So we are going to replace each image. So select your image from here and select image layer. This is the image layer. If you toggle on and toggle off here, you'll see. So press Alt, drag and drop to replace. So what you do, just press S for scale properties and scale it down. And position it well. Alright, so let's go to the second one, the shape 12. Press Alt, drag and drop. Scale it down and position it well. So we are going to repeat the same process to the rest of the images. So let's go in a quick motion, so to finish up the process faster. So we are done with replacing all the images. So let's now replace the text or edit the text. If you double click here, you can edit your text. You can change or do whatever you feel. If you double click here, you can be able to edit your text. Alright, let's go to our second pre-comp in folder 2. You can edit and replace all the images in this pre-comp. We just repeat the same process as we've done in the first one. Press Alt, drag and drop to replace, and reduce the scale properties. Repeat the same here. We're also going to do it in a quick motion to save time. Alright, we're done with it also. We can also edit this text here. Let's scroll. So this is our text. You can double click to edit. They are in blue layers. Blue or teal. You just double click to edit, and you can change color from here. As you can see, you can also change font from here. Alright. These are our text layers. They're in teal colors. So we're also done with that. The first and second one. Close and go to the third folder. So this is our first, second, and third folder. It's here. This is our third folder now. Double click to open. It's the text, 3D text. We also double click to highlight. This coming soon. So you can see, we have coming soon on the upper side, and we also have the lower side text. We just double click to edit. Then the second part of it is here, as you can see. We just double click to edit also. You can edit and customize it and use in your projects. You can change color from here. Now let's go to our fourth folder. Double click to open. You can replace all the images the same manner we've done in the first pre-comps. We toggle on and toggle off here to see the image you have selected. So let's begin with this one. Let's open our images folder. Then select an image, drag and drop to replace. You can scale it down to fit. Press S for scale properties and scale it down. Press Alt, drag and drop. Open scale properties and scale it down to fit also. Repeat the same process to all the remaining. We are done with the image replacement, so you can also replace the text. Go to the pre-comp and double click here to highlight and edit the text. This is the text. Double click to highlight and edit. So let's close this and go to folder 5. Double click to open. This is our final folder. So these are our text layers. As you can see, they are all highlighted here. So let's begin by replacing these images. Go to image placeholder or media placeholder. Double click to open and replace all these images. And by now, let's begin with this one. So select, press Alt, drag and drop. Press S for scale properties and scale to fit. You have to repeat the same process to the rest of the images. Press Alt, drag and drop, scale it up, position it well. So if you check from here, our images are well replaced. And you can also edit the text. Scroll down from here, double click to highlight. So you can see you can edit and change You can edit and change the text from here. So we are done with that one also. So this is our transition composition. This is our glitch transition here. I've created and put it here. You just copy and open the final folder and paste. So as you can see, I've placed it at different places. The glitch transition. This our transition. So this is the final project. We are done customizing our work. Let's preview. And to learn how to create this Apple style animation, click on the next video on your screen or check the link in the description area or in comments. See you in another one. Bye bye.